guys, today we're making Uji Power and I have my ingredients here. Sorry. This is arrowroot. I've already cooked them, they are ready. I'm just going to cut them into small pieces so that I can get them into a blender. So this is arrowroot. Then we have sweet potatoes, and then here I have cassava. All my ingredients are ready. I've boiled them and I have prepared them already. This is sugar, then I have peanuts here, and then I have milk. So let's start cutting the ingredients. So I need to cut these arrowroots into small pieces, and then I put them in my blender. Let me see if you guys can see where I'm putting them. Here, there, and then I put my sugar there. So this is how I'm gonna be cutting the arrowroots in those small sizes, like that. And first I'll cut just 2 pieces because my blender is it's 1 liter. Yeah, so that's arrowroot. Then we have cassava. Who doesn't know cassava? This is how it looks like. I've already removed the I don't know what they're called, the ones that are in between here. I've already removed them. So let's cut into small pieces so that you can get them into the blender. I'll remove this because they seem hard. Guys, do you know Uji Power? Kindly comment if you have ever made Uji Power at home. It's nutritious, very healthy. So let me show you my recipe. See how it's made. You see, if you have never made yours at home, you can try my recipe. So you can see my ingredients. I've started with the, if it's something hard over here, I need to remove it. It's like a peel. So arrowroots, then have cassava, and then cassava. This is cassava. Let's put the cassava. Then I have sweet potatoes. Very sweet. These are very sweet. So this is how you make Uji Power. These are the ingredients. Then I'm gonna be adding, let me so guys, the next thing we're adding is peanuts. As you can see, hope you guys can see well. Peanuts, this is 100 grams, but I'm not gonna add all of it. Let's just add all of it. Then sugar. You can add honey if you have, because it's healthy. The honey is better than the sugar. So, and then I have my half liter milk. Then I'll cover this and put it on the blender. So the next thing to now blend, and I had to add more milk. So you need more milk when you're blending so that it can be easy for you to blend. Though I'm gonna write my ingredients, and here our uji is ready guys. As you can see, inakaa poa, iko thick. So the next thing, tunaiweka kwa jiko. We stir on a low medium heat ndio isishike sufuria huko chini. And because it was thick, I had to add more milk. Nikaiwacha iboil, and you have to keep on stir like the way you do with the normal uji, the way we cook the normal uji. I left it to boil like for 5 minutes, and then my porridge was ready guys. Uji Power. So I would advise you guys, try this recipe. It's very easy, and we have these ingredients at home, and they are there in the market. Very healthy, and they're very cheap. So go try this recipe and let me know on the comment section, have you ever tried cooking Uji Power? It's very easy, it's good for everyone, for kids. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe in case you haven't subscribed, and let me see you on another video. Bye bye.